Dolby Atmos is 3D sound. The latest Samsung HW-Q950T 9.1.4 Dolby Atmos soundbar uses a mix of physical speakers, psychoacoustic trickery, and Q Symphony sound, if you have a 2020 Q Series QLED TV to achieve spectacular sound. The Samsung HW-Q950T 9.1.4 is the flagship of the 2020 Q Series soundbars. Samsung found that consumers were buying soundbars thinking they would automatically get Dolby Atmos sound, but it is a whole lot more complex. Why? Because Dolby Atmos is one of the most misused and abused terms because it conjures up visions of immersive 3D surround sound. Yet at devices as simple as toasters and smartphones claim it. Let's see now how the Samsung HW-Q950T 9.1.4 produces Dolby Atmos. First, this is a soundbar with a separate sub and dual rear speakers, 4 boxes. Left front, right front, center front. All 3 speakers add up 3.0 of 9.1.4. Left surround, right surround, left wide surround, right wide surround. All 4 speakers add up 7.0 of 9.1.4. Left rear surround, right rear surround. All 2 speakers add up 9.0 of 9.1.4. Dolby Atmos must have at least 2 overhead channels. If not, it becomes more of a faux surround sound reproduction, and you may as well buy a straight 2.1 soundbar. Adding 4 overhead channels takes it to 9.0.4. They are: left front overhead, right front overhead, left rear overhead, left rear overhead. Now as the soundbar image shows, and it is not the entire speaker, you can see a lot of speakers. The oval-shaped speakers are full range and the round are tweeters. The end speakers are for surround and surround wide. In fact, there are 20 speakers and D-class amps totaling 536 watts power. These include 12 full-range speakers, and 3 tweeters, L/R/C, in the soundbar. 1 subwoofer and 2x2 rear front/upwards firing speakers. A licensed Dolby Atmos, 128 channels, chip, decodes the sound metadata which includes the 3D spatial information, and downmixes it in this case to 9.1.4 channels. Samsung Electronics take that downmix, and determine how it is best phased across the 20-speaker array. Let's say, a plane is flying out of the TV towards you. The front overheads kick in, and sound phases to the left and right surround, and then to the rear surrounds. If a missile fires at the plane from the right, the sound would phase from right surround wide to right surround. If it hit the plane, sound comes from overhead. Got it? The alternative to an all-in-one soundbar, with separate rears, would be to buy a dedicated 9.1.4 channel AV receiver. You would then have 9 separate speakers, 9, a sub, 0.1, and 4 separate height speakers placed strategically around the room. The amp is a 7.1.4, bottom row of speaker connectors, with an option to add more height and wide channels, second bottom row, to go to 9.1.6, few. Think of the cables, stick to a soundbar. Yes, a pair of cables from each terminal to separate speakers on the bottom row just to get 7.1.4. Q Symphony. In essence, a Q Symphony-enabled TV has 2 speakers, to help enhance the front Dolby Atmos height channels, when combined with a Q Symphony soundbar. Instead of turning off all the TV speakers, the height enhancement speakers remain active. They don't add 2 extra channels, for example it is not 9.1.6. Create cinema-like sound at home, with this feature-packed home theater surround sound system. Want to create theater-like movie nights at home? Take a look at Samsung's Dtsx and Dolby Atmos-capable HW-Q950T. In addition to dedicated left, right, and center channels, the main bar has pairs of up-firing, side-firing, and front-width drivers to deliver immersive overhead and surround effects. But there's nothing like rear speakers for truly enveloping sound, and this system includes those, too. Each rear speaker has a front-firing and up-firing driver to create a truly enveloping soundstage. Add in the included subwoofer, which connects wirelessly to the soundbar. And you've got a 9.1.4 channel system with very minimal effort. Thanks for watching. Please click on the link in description box to check the current price for the product. Don't forget to subscribe, else you won't miss the next video. This is Jason Peter, signing off.